At Polaris Laboratories, our mission is simple: to help you make smarter, faster maintenance decisions. Whether you're operating fleets, servicing industrial equipment, or supporting underground mining operations, reliability starts with fluids and ends with uptime. I'm Bryan Debshaw, CEO of Polaris Laboratories, and I invite you to experience this year's Reliability Summit coming to Indianapolis in October. We've built a comprehensive learning agenda designed for seasoned maintenance professionals as well as newcomers to the industry. Come to the summit where fluid analysis meets reliability and learn best practices for connecting data, explore new and emerging industry trends, and see how AI technology is at the forefront of predictive analytics and better analysis. Horizon is the backbone of your fluid analysis program, so we have dedicated sessions focused on tips for managing equipment lists, hacks to maximize analysis insights, and real-world advice for managing programs effectively. This event is not just presentations and learning sessions. Immerse yourself in the full summit experience with a guided tour of our Indianapolis laboratory. Then go behind the scenes at Graham Ray Hall Performance and connect with fellow attendees during exclusive evening events and dedicated networking time. The Reliability Summit is your chance to connect your fluid analysis with reliability and have some fun along the way. Join us in October and walk away with new connections, knowledge, and all the right tools to take your analysis and maintenance program to the next level. See you in October.